Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos dip at home. Start by grating 8 ounces of cheddar and prepping 1 jalapeno, 1 tomato, and a can of beans. Melt cheese gently over low heat while stirring frequently until smooth. Then fold in beans and season with 1 teaspoon chili powder and salt to taste. Serve warm with chips, garnish with cilantro, and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Choose a base of melty cheeses like cheddar and Monterey Jack, using about 10 ounces total, and add a creamy element like cream cheese or sour cream for smoothness. For heat, use 1 to 2 jalapenos or a dash of hot sauce, and for protein, add cooked chorizo or black beans. Customize with corn, olives, or pickled jalapenos, and remember to taste and adjust salt and acidity as you build flavors. Heat a heavy skillet or oven-safe dish over low to medium heat, layering chips and cheese for even melting, and cover briefly to trap steam and melt cheese through. Use a metal spatula to lift portions and redistribute hot cheese, and finish under broiler for 30 to 60 seconds if you want a golden top. Serve immediately on a warm platter and provide bowls for salsa, guacamole, and sour cream for dipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.